WriterArc's a mind-blowing software built on disruptive AI technology in which you may write any type of material such as a promo, blog, article, advertisement, review, video content, and so on. All industries have an open door. Many individuals have made money by producing content, but you may be different since you don't have to hassle your mind when creating content by thinking of a new topic for your customer every day. You also do not need to conduct a market survey before writing for your customer in that specific industry because everything is distinct and in a different format. This is it if you're serious about arming yourself with the best sales-driving technologies available. This is WriterArc customers' only one-time exclusive deal, available for limited time. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Benefits: create highly quality, human-like content for any local or online business. Super powerful AI engine to create professional and top converting copies. Predefined keywords and categories in 36+ local and online business niches. Preloaded with advanced copywriting templates in 50+ use cases for each niche. Works in 35+ languages and 22+ tons. Download your content in Word or PDF format. Commercial license included to build an incredible income. Helping clients. WriterArc review. How does it work? Step 1. Choose from 35+ use cases and 22+ tones for which you want to create content or create your own use case. The WriterArc AI is trained by highly professional copywriters to create top converting and plagiarism-free content. Step 2. Enter your business name and a short description to create relative and effective content. Step 3. WriterArc will automatically create professional and 100% plagiarism-free content of your need in just a few seconds. You can start your own highly profitable freelancing copywriting services or tap into the $413 billion content marketing industry. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. With a WriterArc agency license, not only you can serve clients in your local area and write content for them using WriterArc proven templates, but also you can find them on websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Odesk, and Upwork, where tons of businesses are looking for a legitimate copywriter. You can do this for life. Add new clients every month, plus retain existing clients for recurring income again and again forever. This will keep increasing your profit exponentially month by month. Providing high-in-demand copywriting services couldn't get easier than this. You're getting the never-offered-before WriterArc agency license to provide these services to your clients. This is something that will get you way above your competitors. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. And after that, just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram, the link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.